Hello there, everybody. I did this video quite a while ago, and um, I did it in a few pieces. I think my recording stopped now and then, and I wasn't actually planning to post this, but um, I don't do videos for the purpose of making tutorials. Therefore, I'm not showing my mixing of paint. There's thousands of videos out there for that kind of stuff, and I really just filled up a cup and you saw me pour it out. All I'm trying to do at this point with this canvas here is, my goal at first was to just get some greens down on a canvas, and I was going to do a floral painting on it after, but you can see it's kind of weird shaped and things there, and I wasn't really liking it. At this point I'm just scooping up some extra paint so the paint will flow to the corner there, and then I can decide what I'm going to do from there, which is make yet more of a mess. And then there's a bit of video missing actually, but if you you just enjoy watching the pour itself, and I didn't record any of myself painting on the painting after, I just did videos and photographs. It is a lot of hours of painting, and this one really isn't painting. It's, I don't know, I would consider it more doodling on this painting. At least, I don't know, you know what I mean. It's just shapes and fun stuff. But I like to show the process along the way, how it gets from this crazy looking thing here to where it ended up. So here I added more colors, and I just did some balloon rolling around the sides there because it really does make some nice sort of leafy greenery effect. And you can see the pour is just pretty crazy. But what I do, I look at it and kind of decide what it reminds me of and what I can see happening if I were to paint within it. So here is where I start painting on the pour. It's dried, of course, and I'm starting to look at it and section out areas, add in some shadow and some depth, and bring out some other colors here and there. And as I go, I kind of see new things that I think, okay, well, I'll try this or that. And so I decided I like this for a water painting, and here is what I've done. Sorry it transitioned so quick to what I started painting on, but yeah, it's just a quick video to show that crazy pour and how it progressed and the things that I painted onto it. And I just thought I would post this video for you to enjoy, and maybe inspire you to try something like this for yourself. There's a little bit more coming up to the final piece, and I was going to add some more things. I had turtles in mind, I had some more fish in mind, and the seahorse itself isn't supposed to be an exact replica of a seahorse or anything like that. I kind of wanted it to resemble coral seahorse, you know what I mean? So I ended up deciding I think I'd had enough, and I didn't want to add any more little sea creatures to this one for now. Who knows, I could one day pick this up and add something, but for now I've just reached my point of needing to be done with this one. Lots of very vivid, bright colors, and it was a lot of fun to do. And adding colors and things are just so much more fun to do on a pour after it's dry. I even did a little bit of individual little pours right on the side here. You'll see a section in pink just for some extra fun. Well, thanks for stopping by, and take care of yourself, and we'll see you next time with something else.